we want to pick your main categories. So I'm thinking about this like food. So we know what we're making: inspiration, education, entertainment. Now we need to kind of gather all of the things. The French call it mise en place, to set up like, okay, what things do we need? Do we need muffin pans or do we need a cookie sheet? So these things will help you to fill out your calendar really easily and to see what ratio of things do you have. So pick some topics that you are going to talk about frequently and go over. It can be the personal and lifestyle things, highlighting the doctor, highlighting the CA, highlighting the people. It can be events that you have coming up, or holidays, or current events. And when I say current events, I don't mean necessarily you have to dig into politics. I just mean, is it back to school season? Do we want to talk about that? Is it National Dog Day? I think that was yesterday. Things that are going to be in that entertainment category that get people engaging. So when you feel like there's nothing to talk about, you go back to, nope, it's a pediatric day. What do I have in my frequently asked questions about pediatrics? And then we have the different kinds of media. So then you can pick, we're doing a frequently asked question from pediatrics. Do I want to make a video, a graphic, or a photo? I think for a lot of offices, posting every day is just a lot. So what we can also do, post 3 times a week, and we have an educational photo, a video, a quote. So you see how we have 2 videos, we have 4 graphics, we have 3 office photos, 2 personal photos, and a holiday. So when you see your whole month, it kind of ends up being not that difficult. And when I say videos here, I would say you can do longer, like Facebook Lives and IGTVs, switch it up and do some long videos and some of those short reels because they're just getting phenomenal reach. Here is kind of the recipe. So we know what topics we're doing. We have that all laid out. Now here's what we actually need. This is why I think it's helpful to plan weeks or a month in advance, because then you can give your team this list. You and your team can figure out this list. You need 1 personal photo, 3 graphics, a selfie, 2 adjustment photos, a testimonial video, and an educational video. Then that makes it a lot easier in advance to get those things put together. I was thinking about like chocolate chip cookies. If we say our personal posts are the chocolate chips, of course people love those. We want those in the cookie. It's kind of a boring cookie without the chocolate chips. But if we put in 5 cups of chocolate chips and it's only chocolate, then it's not really the cookie that we were wanting to do, right? Then it's just chocolate and it should just be a personal account. So having that balance and having a plan is really helpful. Planning it out and having your recipe for the month is really good. Then each week you just have those 3 posts to do, and you can see how it kind of alternates between a graphic, an adjustment photo, a graphic with a game, a video, a selfie, so that we're hitting all of those media types, all of our categories, and we're being really specific in what we're doing. It also, realize, just like everybody learns differently, some people want to see graphics, some people want to see photos. Something that they can immediately, without reading the words, know what you're talking about, like an adjustment photo, is really helpful to catching their eye. Even just a selfie, that makes it look less professional, but more personal. It makes it look like you're a real human being who really cares about people, because we know you do.